CBSE board examination should be cancelled. ICSE board examinations should be conducted. CBSE has cancelled class 10 examinations. ICSE should also follow the same. So guys, a lot of students are confused regarding this, whether the exams is going to be conducted or whether the exams will be cancelled for ICSE as well as ISE 2020, because you have few exams still remaining and a lot of students are tensed and at the same time they are confused regarding the examination. So in this session I am going to clear all your doubts regarding the board examinations and also regarding the CBSE board examinations. So I will be clearing all your doubts and at the same time I will be giving my point of view about the examinations. So do watch this video till the end, and if you find this video helpful then do not forget to like and do share this video with your friends. So let us begin. So guys, first of all, let me clarify that CBSE class 10 board examinations are not cancelled. It is not cancelled and it has been clarified in the notice which CBSE had released recently. So you can go to the CBSE website and you can read the notice, or else I will also be providing the link in the description box of this video. So telling you that CBSE board examinations are not cancelled both for class 10 and class 12. A lot of students were telling us in the comment section that you have seen the post in one of the website that CBSE board examinations are cancelled, and many of you have also heard that CBSE class 10 board examinations are cancelled. So let me tell you that please do not believe in any kind of fake rumors regarding the examinations, because CBSE had clarified it because of this rumors and fake news spreading that CBSE board examinations are not cancelled both for class 10 and 12. It is not at all cancelled, and council is going to clarify you and tell you about the examinations when it is going to be held 10 days before the examination is to be conducted. And if CBSE does this, then it is quite obvious that ICSE will also follow the same, and if exams are to be conducted, then they will inform you 10 days before that, 10 days beforehand. And now regarding the examination, CBSE has also mentioned in the notice, at last if you read it, looking at the situation only, they will be deciding that the exam is going to be conducted or whether it will be cancelled. And even CBSE, they are not clear about this, whether the exam is going to be conducted or it is going to be cancelled, because it totally depends on the situation at that particular moment. So CBSE has said this, that indirectly CBSE has said that अगर situation ठीक रहा तो exams होगा, लेकिन situation ठीक नहीं रहा तो you already understand, right? So firstly, beware of fake rumors. And now regarding the examinations, yesterday only I had made a video in which I had discussed that Delhi government, it had asked the central government to promote all the students of CBSE class 10 and class 12 boards based on their internal assessment marks. So let me clarify that this was an appeal that was made by the central, which was made to the central government by Delhi government, and it was just an appeal. Doesn't mean that now CBSE is going to promote all the students based on internal assessment marks, because there is no official news regarding that. And now my point of view is that now looking at the situation only the council can decide. लेकिन situation को देख के ऐसा लग नहीं रहा है that everything will be fine after 3rd of May. And at the same time, as you already know, many times I've said that the lockdown, it can be extended further. And even if there is no national lockdown after 3rd of May, but even if there is lockdown in one particular state in which the COVID-19 cases, confirmed cases of COVID-19 or this pandemic, it is so much that if it is extended forcefully, they will have to extend the lockdown in that particular state. So even if that in one particular place also, if it is extended, so it is quite obvious that it is very difficult to conduct the examinations, and at the same time your health is more important than your examinations, right? So guys, although I agree that the remaining papers, the remaining subjects were very scoring, so all the subjects were very scoring, but at the same time now due to this delay, many of you must have forgotten what you have already read before, and it is not possible for you to revise these subjects, these particular subjects, 3 or 4 subjects every day. And I personally believe that the exams, it should be cancelled, because looking at the situation, health is more important than your examination. So I agree with all those who are thinking that the exams should be cancelled, and at the same time I feel that exams cancel हो सकता है, but there is no official information. Again, clearing your doubt that there is no official information from the council, but it can be cancelled. Why it can be cancelled? Because already there is so much of delay, and if it continues, then when will your results be published? And if the exams are cancelled, suppose, then on what basis you will be provided the marks for the rest of the subjects? That nobody knows. Whatever decision the council is going to take, the final decision, I hope that it will be beneficial and everybody would agree with that. So friends, this was the video. Thanks for watching this video, and if you like this video, then please do give the thumbs up button and subscribe our channel Mastermind. Thank you.